Hello and welcome to day 7 of 12 days of holiday tapping. Today we are tapping to trust divine timing. If you're manifesting something for this holiday season and it's not here yet, we are going to release that frustration and release the how to the universe. So let's start tapping on the side of the hand. Sometimes I feel so impatient and frustrated. Why does it have to take so long to manifest? It's so hard to trust that everything is going my way. Things are not moving as fast. And honestly, I'm annoyed. I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. Let's move on to the eyebrow point. I am manifesting something big for the holidays. And it's not here yet. The end of the month is so near. And I'm still waiting for my manifestation. I feel so impatient. It feels like nothing is moving as fast as I want. I've been holding on to this need for control. I feel frustrated when things don't go my way. It's hard to trust when I don't see results. What if things are not working out for me? But what if they are? What if I don't have to force anything to happen? What if all I need to do is relax and let the universe guide the way? The how and the when is none of my business. I let go the need to control that. I'm in a group project with the universe. I've done my part. I know what I want. And now I'm going to let the universe do her thing. I know my desires are on their way to me now. I trust the process even when it's not clear. Everything is always working out for me. Even when it looks like it's not. Everything is happening at the perfect time. The universe has the most perfect plan for me. I choose to trust in divine timing. I don't need to know all the details. Because things are unfolding exactly as it should. I'm co-creating with the universe. And I choose to surrender to her magic. all is well.